In Milwaukee is facing obstruction charges, accused of getting in the way of federal immigration officers trying to...
Here I am sharing with you a situation with a judge trying to help an immigrant get away.
Officers trying to make an arrest. Our Jermont Terry live in the newsroom with late developments on this tonight. Jermont?
Joe, that Wisconsin judge was booked, charged, and now...
Wisconsin judge, of course, was charged. And here I am sharing with you, ladies and gentlemen, the situation of what went down with the ICE.
Jermont?
Joe, that Wisconsin judge was booked, charged, and now out of custody and at home on this Friday night. Her day at the office did not...
Another situation where ICE is concerned, and here I am sharing with you where the people are demonstrating pertaining to what take place with this judge. So here we're going to get some more information from the news media pertaining to what went down. Here we go again.
End up the way she or many expected. The FBI met the judge outside the courthouse. Agents then escorted her inside and they arrested her.
Here you have it. The news media is breaking down for us the situation of what went down with this judge lady. Here we go once more.
Her in the middle of the Milwaukee County cafeteria. The arrest of a sitting judge has people split.
This is video of Judge.
Before we go into this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share for yours truly, Spring Gardener. I really appreciate you taking time out to watch this video. And here we'll be showing you the judge leaving the courthouse once more. Here we go.
Just moments earlier, she stood before a federal judge on obstruction charges. The criminal complaint accuses the Wisconsin judge of helping an immigrant who was in the country illegally.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is another one coming to you from yours truly, Spring Garden one. And I'm sharing with you a situation with a judge in Wisconsin. Here we go once more.
Get away from immigration authorities.
To hear that a judge is arrested in the courthouse, it's frankly, as a lawyer.
Court also sharing with you, as you can the screen, where you can contact them for a Zoom court appearance.
So says CBS legal analyst Irv Miller. Yet after reading the 12-page complaint, Miller says he believes the judge went overboard.
Here you have a judge that has been charged. But right now in the comment section, I want you to leave your comment pertaining to what this lawyer have said, that this judge went overboard. So I want you to give me your insight pertaining to what this judge have done. And let us have discussion on this situation, because it's a judge who, this gentleman who's a lawyer said went overboard to defend a illegal person in the United States of America. Well, as you can see, people are demonstrating for honor. And of course, as I said before, let's hear what you have to say pertaining to this situation, because this lawyer think the judge went overboard to defend this guy who was in the country illegal, and ICE went in the court.
Judge went overboard. She's accused of escorting an undocumented immigrant through a jewelry door to help him avoid arrest by ICE agents.
Hey,
here I am sharing with you a situation with this judge. So what I'm asking of you to do right now, give your opinion in the comment section and let's go ahead and discuss where this situation with this judge concerned to this guy who they said was in the United States of America illegal. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sharing with you, this is her, Anna, on your screen, a judge lady in Milwaukee. So therefore, we're going to hear some more of what this lawyer have to say. Give me your opinion and in your comment section pertaining to what you think this judge have done. Is it wrong or she did something great?
listen, basically, I'm going to sneak you out the jury room. You don't have to go out the back door where the agents are. You could sneak out that way and get away. That's where she made.
So once again, yours truly, Spring Garden One, is sharing with you a situation with this judge in Milwaukee. And of course, as I said, give me your opinion pertaining to what this lawyer is saying that she did and what you think about it. And as I said before, you think this was a good decision on her behalf? Did she did something wrong? Did she did something great? What do you think? Let's hear from you in the comment section, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share for yours truly, Spring Garden One. I appreciate you all.
No peace!
Yet the judge has supporters. They showed up outside the federal courthouse and
Here I am once more, giving you a situation where went down in Milwaukee with this judge. And of course, I am asking for you to give me your feedback pertaining to all of what went down in this news clip that I'm sharing with you. And hear what the people have to say. And I am sharing with you their opinion. So I want you to leave yours in the comment section for yours truly, Spring Garden One. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share as well. You'll be going back to what the protesters have to say pertaining to the judge lady.
intimidation tactic.
This is a person who stood up for what was right, for those men not to be taken out of a courthouse, which should be a place people can go for services, and instead...
Here you have it. People are saying what they think should or should not have happened where this judge is concerned, helping other people and keeping them safe from the environment that they go into. So this lady is sharing her opinion as one of the demonstrators outside the courthouse. Here we go once more.
Reporters. They showed up outside the federal courthouse in Milwaukee, arguing the move by the FBI director was an intimidation tactic.
This is a person who stood up...
Once again, I'm sharing with you this situation and hear the people's views.
...taken out of a courthouse, which should be a place people can go for services, and instead she has been hit with felony charges.
Well, here you have it. These people sharing their opinions. So as I said, this is Spring Garden One going back to the clippings to let you know what these other people have to say pertaining this lady judge once more. Here we go.
Judge is being arrested in the courthouse. Just imagine the chilling effect that it sends to other folks who would otherwise participate in judicial proceedings in our courthouse.
Well, as you heard from this mayor explaining pertaining to what happened with the judge and how what other people...
News, the U.S. Attorney Pam Bondi argued the judge believed she was above the law and knew the federal agents were outside waiting to arrest the immigrant.
No one is above the law. And they said the judge may be thinking she was one of those persons above the law. So of course, the law have to take course regardless of where and who it is going to take course again. So here we go once more.
With legal paperwork.
You cannot obstruct a criminal case, and really, shame on her. It was a...
Well, as I hear this lady saying shame on the judge because of what she have done pertaining to helping this guy get away from ICE. So this lady here is sharing with us what she think the law is and supposed to be.
Domestic violence case of all cases, and she's protecting a criminal defendant over victims of crime.
Now, as you heard there,
Well, as I hear this lady opinion said the judge is supporting this domestic violent person, and of course she's not supporting none of it at all.
the immigrant was before the judge for domestic violence charges. Despite the alleged efforts of the judge,
Here you have it. Yes, truly, Spring Garden One, bringing it to you. Thank you for